Hello my friends, Lindabradley from Princess House here. So I have a new layaway package for you tonight. Surprise, surprise. I'm always making up new packages. Sometimes I just sit at my desk and scroll through the book and it just hits me. And I have a really special one for you tonight. So I'm very excited about it. So this is our high power blender. And this is an intense piece of machinery that is going to make your kitchen tools jealous, because this is the star of the show. It's incredible for many reasons. It has an oversized, I think it's 86 ounces vessel, so plenty of room for whatever you want to make. It has 3 already pre-programmed different timers. So one of them is for smoothies. You know, a lot of people are trying to eat better, so that's what they do. They have the smoothies. You can put spinach and kale in it and all that stuff, and it tastes delicious, and it's so good for your body. So smoothies is probably the #1 reason why people use a high-power blender. There's also one for dips and spreads, and I've definitely made hummus. I've made homemade pesto. It's really great for that. The one that always amazes me is the one for soup. So you can make soup that comes out hot soup in 7 minutes. It's just amazing. I've made broccoli soup, I've made butternut squash soup, sweet potato soup. There's so many different ones to do. You'll find that when you go to use this, it goes from all 4 corners. It just mixes perfectly. It comes with a tamper as well, so that if you need something as thick, right, you can mix it, so the tamper helps you with that. It's even easy to clean, because basically what I tell you to do is once you're finished whatever you're making in it, just go ahead and add a tiny couple drops of dishwashing detergent, put your warm water in it, and run it back through the machine for a minute, and it basically just cleans itself. You can also use the pulse, and you can make your own. You don't have to use one of the pre-programmed. This is especially nice if you make any kind of, a lot of people make their spices with peppers, right? You'll make a pepper type of a spice, and so this is good for anything like that. So the high power blender is an intense item. It's been our #1 seller since it was first introduced. It's been out for I think 3 years now. Excuse me. It's in the catalog for $549.95 plus tax plus shipping, and it's been #1 all those years. So it's on sale right now for $429. Then you have to add tax and shipping, but I have a better offer. So this is the deal. I have a layaway offer, and it is for a very special set. I'm really excited. So it is for the blender, and what's another good thing to make in your blender? Margaritas. So this is going to come with 4 of our margarita glasses. These have the Princess Heritage pattern on them, and so that will make a really nice summertime drink. And you can get this for just 10 payments of $40.36 each. And that is paid in full, including your tax, including your shipping. You're going to get your high power blender and 4 margarita glasses for just 10 payments of $40.36. So reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com, and I'll get that set up for you. But you know, I was thinking, chances are if you would love a high power blender, then you probably have a couple of friends that would also like one. And so here's a special offer for you. Go ahead and offer it to your friends, and get 2 of your friends to also take the offer. So get 2 of your friends to buy a blender at that price, the 10 payments of $40.36, all right? And when you do that, this is what you're gonna get. You ready? This is where all the magic happens. So you get 2 friends to buy the blender, and you're going to get a blender. Now, mind you, your friends are going to get the blender and 4 margarita glasses, okay? So are you. You're going to get the blender and 4 margarita glasses, but you get more. So what you're going to get is, I love this pan. This is the prettiest thing. When I unpacked it in the garage, I was like, oh my God, this is gorgeous. This is a 16-quart stock pot. Can you see how nice and big it is? It is in our tri-ply. The lid is just gorgeous. It does have your glass around it, and it has the Princess Heritage pattern. It has the little slow steam hole. This is an awesome piece that you're going to be able to use for your large meals, right? Your rice and your chicken, your seafood boils would look and be wonderful in here. Crabs, right? Alaskan king crab legs, even lobster. You could use it for chili or anything like that. So you're going to get the 16-quart casserole, And you're going to get the 2 utensils that go along with it, a ladle, and then this is the scoop, right? Both of these come along with it. And as an added bonus, you're also going to get 4 place settings of the Marbella Blue. And that's going to include 4 of the teal dinner plates, 4 of the Blossom luncheon plates, 4 of the teal bowls, and 4 of the mugs. You're also going to get the linens that match it, and that is a table runner and 4 of the napkins. So your friends are going to get you're going to get 2 friends to buy the blenders. They're going to get the blender and 4 glasses. They're going to make 10 payments of $40.36. And you are also going to get the blender and the 4 glasses, but you're also going to get the 16-quart casserole, the 2 tools, and the 4 place settings of the Marbella Blue, and you will have 10 payments of $55.13. That's it. It's a 64% savings over what it would normally cost. So reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com, and start your layaway today. Now, if you just want to take advantage of the blender, I got you. You can have the blender and 4 margarita glasses for just 10 easy payments of $40.36 each. If you want to change the payments, just let me know. If you want, every other week, if you want to just make 4 payments, if you want to pay it in full, that's fine. But no worries, I will get your blender and your margarita glasses. But like I said, see if your friends might like it, because you get 2 friends to buy 2 blenders, and then you get all of this, and you're only paying $55.13 times 10 payments. All right? Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com. Thanks as always for watching, and I love to put together these layaway packages, so let me know if you like them, or let me know what you're looking for next. Please share and like the video, and if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a special. See you next time.